Job interview, clothing store. Hello, welcome to our store. Please have a seat.
Hello, thank you.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Anna Smith.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Have you worked in a store before?
Yes, I worked in a small shop last year.
What kind of work did you do there?
I helped customers, organized products, and worked at the cash register.
That's good. Do you like working with people?
Yes, I enjoy helping customers and talking to them.
How many hours can you work per week?
I can work about 30 hours per week.
Are you comfortable working on weekends?
Yes, I am available on weekends.
That's great. Why do you want to work in our store?
I like your clothes and I like working with people.
Good. Can you tell me about your previous experience with cash handling?
I worked at the cash register every day. I am careful and responsible.
Excellent. Can I have your phone number, please?
Sure, it's 074-230-0789.
Thank you. We will call you in 2 days.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
At the cinema, buying tickets. Hello, I would like to buy some tickets for the weekend, please.
Hello. Of course. How many tickets do you need?
I need 6 tickets.
6 tickets. Okay. For which day?
For Saturday evening.
What time would you like?
Around 7 or 8 p.m.
That's fine. Do you know which movie you want to see?
I'm not sure yet. It's for my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you. I want to invite my friends.
What kind of movie do you like?
Something fun. Maybe a comedy.
We also have a romantic movie and an action movie.
I don't think action is a good idea.
Okay, the comedy is very popular right now.
What is the comedy about?
It's about friends who go on a trip together.
That sounds good.
Would you like seats together?
Yes, please. We want to sit together.
No problem. I have 6 seats in the middle.
That's perfect.
The movie starts at 7:30 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that's great.
The total price is £60.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
All done.
Here are your tickets.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the movie and have a great birthday.
Thank you. We will. Buying popcorn and drinks. Hello, I would like to buy some popcorn and drinks, please.
Hello. Of course. What would you like?
I need popcorn for 6 people.
Okay. Would you like small, medium, or large popcorn?
Large popcorn, please.
1 large popcorn. Anything else?
Yes, I would like 6 drinks.
What kind of drinks would you like?
3 colas and 3 waters, please.
Would you like ice in the drinks?
Yes, please.
Would you like butter on the popcorn?
Yes, a little butter, please.
No problem.
How much is it?
That will be £24.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Here you go.
Here is your popcorn and drinks.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the movie.
Thank you.
Friends meeting. Learning English. Oh, hi, John.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm okay. Just busy with work.
Are you still learning English?
Yes, but it's really hard for me.
What is the hardest part?
The tenses, past, present, and future. I forget them all the time.
That's okay. Many people do. Let me explain it simply.
Please, I need that.
Okay, present tense first. Present is for now and every day. For example, I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Good, that's correct. Now the past. Past is for yesterday or before. In the past, you add ed to the verb.
Okay.
For example, yesterday I worked from home.
Yesterday, I work from home.
Not quite. You forgot ed.
Oh,
When it's yesterday, you add ed.
okay. Yesterday, I worked from home.
Yes, much better. Remember, yesterday, add ed.
Yesterday, add ed.
Exactly. Now the future. Future is for tomorrow. For the future, you add will.
Okay.
For example, tomorrow I will meet my boss.
Tomorrow, I meet my boss.
You forgot will.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow, I will meet my boss.
Perfect. So remember, yesterday, add ed. Tomorrow, add will.
Yesterday, add ed. Tomorrow, add will.
Yes, that's it.
Wow. Now I really understand.
See? Simple rules help.
Thank you so much, Emma.
You're welcome. We can practice again next time.
Yes, please. I feel more confident now.
You're doing great. At work. Coffee break. Mini English quiz. Hey, John.
Hey, Emma.
Making coffee?
Yes, I really need it today.
Same here. How is your English study going?
Slowly. I still forget past and future.
No problem. Let's do a quick quiz while we wait for the coffee.
Okay.
First one. Present tense. Every morning, I drink coffee at work.
Every morning, I drink coffee at work.
Good. Now past. Listen carefully. Yesterday, I drank coffee at work.
Yesterday, I drink coffee at work.
Not quite. Yesterday means the past. You need the past form.
Yesterday, I drinked coffee at work.
Almost. This verb is irregular. Drink becomes drank.
Okay. Yesterday, I drank coffee at work.
Perfect. Remember this. Sometimes you add ed and sometimes the word changes.
That's confusing for me.
I know. I didn't tell you before, but there is a list you can learn.
A list?
Yes, a table with verbs, present, past, and past participle.
So I can study the words from the table?
Exactly. A little every day. Now the future. Tomorrow I will drink coffee at work.
Tomorrow I will drink coffee at work.
Very good. You remembered will.
I remembered this time.
I can see that. You're improving.
Now I really understand it.
Great. Keep going.
Meeting an old friend. Oh, hi, Sarah. Is that you? Anna. Oh, wow, it's really you. I can't believe it. Long time no see. Yes, so many years. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. I didn't expect to see you here.
Me neither. I was just walking home.
What are you doing these days?
I work in an office now. I have a full-time job.
That's nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. It's busy, but interesting.
And where do you live now?
I live not far from here.
What about your family? Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
That's great. Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one daughter. She is 5 years old.
That's lovely.
And you, what about your life?
I'm not married yet, but I'm in a relationship. That's nice. What do you do for work? I work in a small company. I really enjoy it.
I'm happy to hear that.
It's so nice to see you again after all these years.
Yes, really nice. We should meet again sometime.
Definitely. Let's stay in touch. Yes, let's do that. Ordering coffee to go. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Bean Cafe.
Thank you.
What can I get for you today?
I would like a coffee to go, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
A latte, please.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like regular milk or plant milk?
Regular milk is fine.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, I would also like a cheese sandwich.
Would you like it warm or cold?
Warm, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
Is the order to go?
Yes, everything to go, please.
Okay. That will be £5.50.
Here you are.
Thank you.
How long will it take?
About 3 minutes.
That's perfect.
Your coffee and sandwich will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
At the pharmacy. Hello, I need some help, please. Hello, of course. How can I help you? I have a very bad headache. I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had the headache? Since this morning. Do you have any other symptoms? I feel tired and a little dizzy. Do you have a fever? No, I don't have a fever. Okay. Have you taken any medicine today? No, not yet. Are you allergic to any medicine? No, I'm not allergic to anything. I can recommend these tablets for headache pain. Are they strong? They are gentle but effective. How often should I take them? Take 1 tablet every 6 hours. Should I take them with food? Yes, it's better to take them after a meal. Okay, I will do that. Make sure to drink plenty of water and get some rest. Thank you. That's very helpful. If the pain does not go away, please see a doctor. I understand. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Take care.
At the coffee shop. Ordering coffee. Hello, I would like to order a coffee, please.
Hello, of course. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'm not sure yet. What do you recommend?
Today we recommend our special coffee with peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce?
Yes, it is very popular and sells very well.
It sounds interesting.
Many customers really like it.
I'm sorry, but I have a peanut allergy.
Oh, I understand. Thank you for telling me.
Do you have something without nuts?
Yes, of course. We have a caramel latte and a vanilla latte.
Which one is more popular?
The caramel latte is very popular too.
Does it have any nuts?
No, it does not contain any nuts.
Okay, I will take a caramel latte.
Great choice. What size would you like?
Large, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be £4, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
At the mechanic. Problem with a tire. Hi, I have a problem with my car.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
I think there is something wrong with the tire.
Okay. What is happening exactly?
The car feels strange when I drive.
Does the tire look flat?
Yes, it looks a little flat.
Did you hit a curb or a pothole?
Yes, I hit a pothole yesterday.
That could be the reason.
Is it safe to drive?
I don't think so. We should check the tire.
Okay. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
That's fine.
The tire might need some air or a small repair.
Will I need a new tire?
I don't think so. The damage looks small.
That's good to hear.
I will fix it and check the pressure.
Thank you. How much will it cost?
It won't be expensive.
Okay, I'll wait here.
No problem. I'll call you when it's ready.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Calling roadside assistance. Hello? Sorry, my English is not good.
That's okay. I will speak slowly.
Thank you. I have problem with car.
Okay. What problem do you have?
Car stop. I cannot drive.
I understand. The car does not move, yes?
Yes, car not move.
Okay. Are you safe now?
Yes, I am safe.
Good. Where are you?
I am on road, near petrol station.
Near a petrol station. Okay.
I think tire is broken.
The tire is broken. A flat tire?
Yes, flat tire.
Okay. We will send help to you.
Thank you very much.
What car do you have?
Small white car.
Small white car. Okay.
How long time?
About 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay.
Please stay in your car and turn on your hazard lights.
Sorry, hazard lights?
The warning lights? The blinking lights?
Ah, yes, I understand.
Good. Someone is coming to help you.
Thank you. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Stay safe. Buying a metro ticket. Hi, I would like to buy a metro ticket.
Sure. What kind of ticket do you need?
I'm not sure. What are my options?
You can buy a single ride or a day pass.
Which one is better for tourists?
A day pass is better if you plan to travel a lot.
Okay, I think I will take a day pass.
Good choice.
How much does it cost?
It costs $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
I will pay by card, please.
Okay, please tap your card here.
Done.
Here is your Metro card.
Thank you. How do I use it?
Just tap the card at the gate.
Can I use it all day?
Yes, you can use it as many times as you want today.
That's perfect.
Do you need a Metro map?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.